Today we're making homemade waffles. Put on a toaster. So now we're gonna pour 4 ounces of milk, sugar-free syrup, regular syrup if you like, honey if you like. It's okay, 2 ounces. So look over here, 4, 5, 6. 2 tablespoons of butter. Options, microwave or stove. So we're gonna do on the stove top. High, don't allow it to boil, okay? So it's all the way hot into scalding hot, but not boiling, okay? 1, 2. Scalding hot. We have an egg here. Ooh, why? Okay, see how crispy it is? So break into pieces. Some of the broth. Enough to cover the bottom of the blade. We're gonna blend, low speed. So disconnect it. Come on, man.
Cracking an egg again?
1 waffle, 1 egg. We added an egg. We added an egg. So now I'm just gonna bake it in this souffle cup.
Chico.
$300 degrees, 15 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, here we are. Here we are. Souffle of waffle. Look at that.
Okay.
Let's see how this goes.
I should probably got a knife.
So I got nice. It's nice soft.
You know what, bro? I just got it.
Yeah. Now it looks lumpy, but look at this. If I press it,
Get it closer to the camera.
no, it says no. I see a little lumpy. Let me see. It's not lumpy at all. Look, it looks lumpy, but it's nice and soft and smooth. Okay. So if you take it with a fork, nothing is dripping. Okay? Then if I eat it, I don't even have to chew or anything. Look at that. And I made it waffle souffle. Right? Delicious.
I really love the egg with it. I'll be honest. You can taste a little bit of the egg, but it's like a good taste of it.
And earlier we did it without the egg, and it stayed in your mouth. So it's like, right?
Yeah.
So this one is easy. It transfers from the front of your mouth to the back of your mouth with no effort. If you like what you see, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
See you later.